Apple to launch iSmart glasses in 2026. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is accelerating development of AI-enhanced smart glasses with plans to release them by late 2026, aiming to compete directly with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses and Google's upcoming Android XR offerings. Siri voice assistant integration. Apple's smart glasses will feature deep Siri integration as a core component of the user experience. The voice assistant will allow users to interact hands-free with their surroundings, enabling features like asking, "What am I looking at?" to receive detailed information about objects and landmarks. Users will be able to make calls, send messages, get turn-by-turn directions, request live translations, and control smart home devices through voice commands. The success of Apple's smart glasses may ultimately hinge on improving Siri's capabilities, as the company faces stiff competition from Meta's and Google's more advanced AI platforms. Apple is working to enhance Siri specifically for these glasses, making it a central part of their strategy to differentiate from competitors while leveraging the seamless integration with other Apple devices that users have come to expect. Camera and microphone feature. Apple's upcoming smart glasses will be equipped with cameras, microphones, and speakers to enable a range of AI-powered functionalities. 123. These components will allow the glasses to see the world for you and analyze the external environment, enabling features like visual intelligence that can recognize objects, translate text, and respond to user queries via Siri 14. The multi-camera system is being designed to scan surroundings, track gestures, and provide contextual awareness. 5. The hardware will support various practical applications including recording photos and videos, handling phone calls, playing music, providing turn-by-turn navigation directions, and offering live translation services. 264. Apple is reportedly upgrading its chip design specifically to accommodate these multiple cameras while maintaining power efficiency and a lightweight form factor. 56. While similar to Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses in functionality, sources suggest Apple's version will be better made, with tighter integration into the Apple ecosystem. 4. Competition with Meta Ray-Bans. Apple's push into smart glasses puts it in direct competition with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, which have been a rare hardware success for the social media giant. Meta has sold over 700,000 pairs of its Ray-Ban smart glasses, with demand at times outpacing supply, and CEO Mark Zuckerberg has positioned them as central to the company's AI strategy. 1. Meanwhile, Meta is developing more advanced models, including Hypernova glasses with built-in displays expected to cost between $1,000 and $1,400.20. The smart glasses market is becoming increasingly competitive, with Google also entering the fray through partnerships with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster for its Android XR platform. 3. Google has even approached EssilorLuxottica, Ray-Ban's parent company, about integrating its Gemini AI into future smart glasses, potentially challenging Meta's existing partnership. 4. Apple's entry, with its custom chips based on Apple Watch socks and seamless ecosystem integration, could significantly disrupt this growing market segment.